Yes, we are going to go more in details about this bag that I unboxed a few weeks before. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover, and above all, a Longchamp addict. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, it's free. Welcome. I unboxed, yes, I think it's 2 weeks before, this gorgeous bowling bag from Longchamp, from the Foulonné line, from an old Foulonné collection. And I was really looking for it because I have no bowling bag in my collection. Well, yes, in fact, I've got the raw one from Coach, but I really wanted something from Longchamp, and I was in love with this one. So I will write you again the dimension of this bag for those who haven't seen my previous video, the unboxing video. And now I'm going to be more into details. So the leather is Foulonné, so really unscratchable. No, do not be afraid of rain, because today it's raining and I use this bag and it's okay. Just swap with a tissue and it's perfect. You've got two handles and you've got this strap, long strap. It's removable. And the strap is not adjustable, but to be honest, the strap is quite long enough, so you can wear it crossbody or on your shoulder without any problem. The hardware is gunmetal. It's gorgeous, really gorgeous. And you got, on one side, you've got a push button with a flap pocket here. So now I'm going to make a close-up video so you can see exactly what can fit in this bag. And the bag is full to the max, and as you can see, even with the weight, it keeps its form, and I love that. Look, clearly you see nothing there, and you will see right now how much I put inside. So like this, you have a better look of what fits exactly in this bag. And yes, oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I love the color. So to open it, you can go on the both sides. Look how much there is stuff inside. And I am happy because I really want a bag not so big, but with a shape where I can fit a bunch of items. So inside I got my agenda, I got another notebook, this is an MS one, I got my pencil case, I got a first pouch, my Coach one. Oh my God, I love the color. I've got my saffron purse from Longchamp. I also got my Foulonné wallet, continental wallet. Okay, it's back for winter, so I need my mints. My card holder in cypress color. I've got tissue and sanitizer. I've got a random pen, and that's all. All these things can go inside this bag, and I can assume I can also put a tiny bottle of water. So this bag is incredible because it fits a bunch and clearly it holds its shape. And I love that because I hate when bags, of course, it's not structured because Foulonné leather is so soft, but due to its conception, it's holds its shape, and I love that. I really, really love that. And super practical. also got a very interesting question from a nice subby, hi Mike Joey, concerning if I will put an insert in this bag. I do not use insert. Maybe I'm wrong, but for me it's not a problem to have things going from one side to another side. And I do not use insert because most of the time, but maybe because I did not make the perfect insert, but most of the time I think they are taking too much place, and so that's why I do not use it. And as you can tell, as I fit a bunch also, it's not a problem to do not have any insert. So that was this tiny review about this bag. If you're interested, the only advice I can give you is to browse internet, to search for it, because as I told you before, this bag is an old collection. I could not believe I find it finally in a sale, and I'm really happy. But yes, maybe someone on the second-hand market will sell it one day, so stay tuned if you're looking for it. I keep finger crossed Longchamp produce again this type of bag, because they are really nice and well structured and so easy, because I could also wear it only by the top handles. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, do not hesitate to write the question in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you. Stay tuned. I will make a video about the item I seen in Avignon, and I will show you the nice gift they offered me. And I've got also a tiny surprise for you, so stay tuned. Have a great day. Take care. And yes, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Bye guys. À bientôt.